As you can see, handling a microphone is too complicated for a flat earther. But first, let's do a very quick debunk. This video I found at Taboo Conspiracy's channel. It was a recommendation in his community tab, and it's from a flat earther in Canada. And he claims that he can prove the flat earth in 60 seconds. So let's continue with this video. Let's debunk this nonsense using Google Maps. Here we have the area, and up here is the beach he claims that he was at. This is the island. So let's watch a screen capture from his video. On the right side of the island we see land behind the island, and of the left side we don't see any land at all. Let's have one more look at Google Maps. On this side of the island we see land behind the island, but not on this side. So you can see the coastline further away from the observer, the one closer to the observer. So no need to do any calculation to prove that this is a globe evidence.
A one-way ticket, yeah. It took me so long to find out, but I found out now.
Did you find out that you don't know how to handle a microphone?
I've seen several of the YouTubers make videos about their mic locker, and as this stage is a stage that I've got one, might as well make a video about it. So these are all the mics I've currently got, and I'm going to talk you through them one at a time so you've got an idea of what I've picked. I love them all.
So we already knew that Nathan is interested in hi-fi and so on, and he collects microphones. If you look at this video, complete one, he's trying to sell some of his microphones. Nothing strange with that. He's having a YouTube show. He don't need several microphones, so why not sell them?
It should sound like an SM57.
Yeah, it sounds pretty nice. I have an SM57, so I'm biased.
And I'm biased too, because I'm using one right now when I'm speaking.
Yeah, well, it's just it's the sound of our generation, though. This mic sounds like everything that you've ever heard ever, because almost everything's recorded with this mic. It's not, though, because it's a clone of that mic, but this sound is that sound. It's definitely familiar. I've heard it on lots of comparison videos.
I recognize the sound, yeah.
It's an SM57 clone. I only bought this one, right, because I tried to buy an SM57 on eBay, and there are bazillions of Chinese fake feel to a Shure product. I've got one. I've got a Shure, what is it, a Beta 56, something like that. But I knew as soon as I held it, yeah, this is real. It's obvious. But when you're trying to buy it on eBay, you can't do that. So, like I say, I sooner bought a clone to get that sound.
So, first of all, it's not hard to find a real, genuine Shure SM57. But Nathan is honest. He have a Chinese cheap clone of it, and it don't sound the same. Now he tries to sell them on eBay, and many of his microphones are cheap copies from China, and he is writing that it's a copy. But one microphone did got my attention. The Neumann KMR81i, the one in the top here. You have the marking, you can see on the image that it's the original sign on it. So, £86. Is that a good price for that one? Let's look at a new one. Price for a new one is 1,628 and Nathan's price is 86. Is Nathan a bad businessman or is it a cheap Chinese copy? I don't know, but it's strange. This was a shorter video. I will be back soon. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.